week of the 8th UN Global Road Safety Week. Today, Wednesday the 15th, we are here in Vasco. The theme of the Global Road Safety Week is to keep the pavements clear for the pedestrians. Because what is happening is people are blocking the pavements and people are coming onto the road. So the pavements need to be clear for the safety of the pedestrians. And also the theme also extends to cyclists, that cyclists must be safe. So today we are joined by the Transport Department, Vasco ADT and his team. Then we have the traffic police from Vasco. We have the district police also from the Vasco police station. And of course myself from GOACAN. So we are going to take a walk along the pavements and make sure that the pavements are clear.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.